Welcome to today's tour of breathtaking modern interiors. This video takes you inside a small yet stunning modern black house where luxury meets minimalism in every detail. Our focus today? Unveiling gorgeous living room designs that redefine cozy elegance and sophisticated comfort. From sleek furniture arrangements to beautifully curated color palettes, these spaces promise to inspire. So settle in, relax, and let's explore the perfect blend of modern style and inviting warmth. First stop, the living room, where every detail whispers contemporary perfection. Let's dive into the heart of this modern black home, the living room. Think sleek, soft couches in muted grays and beiges, grounded by textured rugs that add just the right touch of warmth. The expansive windows flood the space with natural light, creating a harmonious contrast against the dark walls. Accented by minimal decor and bold geometric lighting, these rooms bring contemporary elegance to life. Whether you're a fan of clean lines or layered textures, these designs are a masterclass in sophisticated simplicity. Get ready to soak in the inspiration. The kitchen here is proof that style and function can coexist beautifully. With its matte black cabinetry, sleek countertops, and warm wooden accents, it's both striking and inviting. Compact yet functional, every inch is designed to maximize space without sacrificing aesthetics. Under cabinet lighting adds a soft glow, while subtle gold fixtures elevate the overall look. Whether you're hosting or cooking for one, these kitchens bring luxury to every culinary moment. Ready to find your dream kitchen? This home's exterior is a showstopper all on its own. From above, you'll see its striking black facade, clean lines, and perfectly landscaped surroundings. The balance between minimalist design and natural elements creates a seamless blend of structure and serenity. Solar panels on the roof add eco-friendly charm to the bold aesthetic. It's modern living at its finest, where innovation and style meet effortlessly. Let's take a closer look at this architectural gem. The bedrooms in this home are a sanctuary of calm and sophistication. Matte black walls create a cozy cocoon, while soft bedding in neutral tones adds a touch of luxury. Thoughtful lighting, like sleek pendant lamps and soft wall sconces, creates the perfect mood for relaxation. Minimalist furnishings keep the space uncluttered, allowing you to truly unwind. It's the kind of room that makes every morning feel like a fresh start. Let's take a peek at these dreamy retreats. Step into the bathroom and feel the zen take over. With matte black tiles, frameless glass showers, and warm wooden accents, these spaces exude spa-like serenity. Recessed lighting highlights the sleek fixtures, while slim windows let in just the right amount of natural light. The design is compact but doesn't compromise on elegance or comfort. From rain showers to luxurious finishes, every detail is thoughtfully curated. Let's dive into these refreshing havens. Even the dining spaces in this home are a testament to modern design. Picture sleek black tables paired with minimalist chairs in soft neutrals. Pendant lights provide an elegant focal point, casting a warm glow over intimate meals. The simplicity of the design keeps things functional, while subtle decor adds a touch of charm. Whether it's a quick breakfast or a special dinner, these spaces make every meal feel like an occasion. Ready to set the table? The outdoor spaces here are just as captivating as the interiors. Think compact patios with sleek black furniture, soft lighting, and cozy fire pits perfect for chilly evenings. Clean landscaping with gravel paths and simple greenery creates a tranquil environment. Whether it's lounging with a good book or hosting under the stars, these spaces extend the elegance of the home outdoors. It's modern living, redefined. Let's explore these serene retreats.